Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Udemy affiliate marketplace login, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the Udemy affiliate marketplace URL. Press the enter key to navigate to the site. Once the page loads, look for the login button on the home page. Click on the login button to access the login page. You will now see fields for your credentials. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link for assistance. After entering your credentials, click on the Login button. Wait a moment for the system to verify your information. If your login is successful, you will be redirected to the affiliate dashboard. If you encounter an error, double-check your email and password for accuracy. In case you're a new user, look for the Sign Up option to create a new account. Complete the registration process by filling out all required fields. Once registered, return to the login page to access your account. Now that you're logged in, explore the affiliate resources available. Take note of any promotional materials you may want to use. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout for a smoother experience. If you have any issues, consult the help section for troubleshooting tips. You are now ready to start promoting Udemy courses as an affiliate. Enjoy your journey in the Udemy affiliate marketplace. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.